James Hirecheck with this week's Autochartist weekly Forex futures and indices market recap for the week ending October 5th. Earlier in the week, Autochartist determined that the MSCI Index futures contract was the stock index market to watch because of the formation of an emerging ascending triangle. You can see here that the market found support, and Autochartist projected a rally into these old tops and into this ascending retracement line. This trade is still intact as stock indices appear to be a little bit stronger and demand for higher risk assets continues to increase. So next week we'll be looking to see if this MSCI Singapore Index continues to rise into the resistance zone. Later in the week we started to look at the New Zealand dollar, and the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar showed that the support line had been broken on the 1440 minute chart. We have been looking for a break into 80.38. That's still possible. The market did plunge through it the first day and then kind of consolidated, but Friday's action suggests that we could still be headed towards this target zone. Another trade we were looking at later in the week was in the Canadian dollar. The first part of the week, or I should say on Friday, identified a support area, and the possibility of a breakout through the support area was developing. Markets were holding steady above the support area because of an unemployment report that was coming out for the US and for Canada. And on Friday, the employment report showed better than expected results for Canada, and what that did is it broke the market sharply lower through the support price that Autochartist had determined. Now, it didn't quite hit the target area before it rebounded because of oversold conditions. Okay, so we had looked at the possibility in our afternoon commentary that this market was going to rebound back because of oversold conditions, and that's what happened. So it looks as if the fundamentals still suggest that the USD CAD, or US dollar Canadian dollar, is weakening. However, this price action here suggests that traders are going to try to regroup and bring this market down. You can see here this consolidation that took place, and then when we broke through it, we came down sharply lower below 97.33. Very rarely does anybody get short this because it's too fast. So the rebound rally gives them an opportunity to get short again because these old bottoms tend to become new support. So again, to recap the week, we're still looking at a bullish scenario in the stock indices, particularly the MSCI Singapore Index, and we're looking for a bearish scenario in the New Zealand dollar and also in the USD CAD. This has been James Hirecheck with this week's Autochartist weekly Forex futures and indices market recap for the week ending October 5th.